another video. It's your boy Billy Joe here, about to teach you how to take your bars off and put them back on straight. But yeah, my name is Billy Joe, and you're watching my YouTube channel. But anyways, just playing around with you guys. But today I'm going to teach you how to take your bars off. What you're going to need is an Allen key, whatever size that your scooter needs. And yeah, so I'm just going to put this in here, eh? And yeah, so what you're going to need is your Allen key and your scooter. And yeah, I'm going to teach you how to do that. So let's get right into the video. Step one is take your Allen key out of your bars. You have bars like me. And I'm going to have to sit down like this. But step one for me is taking my bars off since they're already on. So I'm going to want to loosen the top one. Not all the way. Or wait, yeah. Not all the way to where like you don't have to take it off. Just where it's not as tight. Then I'm loosening the bottom one to like the same distance to where it's tight. And you know it's not tight if your clamp moves around like this and your bars are still straight. But after you get that, my bars, oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. Okay, I might not be able to get these off. Okay, I think I have to untighten them a little more. So as I do this, how was your guys' day? My day was very great. Although I'm filming this inside because it's raining. It's been raining for the past 3 days. This isn't coming off. So it's starting to make me mad. So yeah. Okay, maybe I have to untighten it more. Okay, now let's try this. Alright, looks like I'm just gonna cut to the next clip to when I have the bars off, and yeah, then we'll be on with step 2, but I can't get these bars off, so give me a minute, so yeah. Alright folks, took me about like 10 minutes to get this off. That's why it took me so long. But right now, I'm just gonna tighten my compression. Okay, never mind. The Allen key's too big. But anyways, let's get into step 2. Putting your bars on straight. Anyways, it's like you wanna put your scooter like that, and then put these here T-bars on your scooter, or whatever kind of bars you have, and you push them on there a little bit. I'm having a bit of trouble right now, but I think come on there, Billy. Alright. We're having problems here. I'm going to take my mighty hammer. There we go. Oh no. And I don't want it to. Just want to kick your wheel till it's straight with your bars. Just like that. Okay, now they're straight. So now you just push down all the way. All the way. When you put your bars on, make sure your bars are all the way down to your headset, because then it's not going to tighten as well and your bars might snap. But after you do that, make sure they're straight again. And then come down here like this. Turn your clamp so it's straight. And then hammer your clamp all the way down to the headset, just like the bars. Because if you don't hammer your your clamp all the way down to the headset, then your bars aren't going to stay tight, and you're going to have to keep tightening them up. And the reason for that is, if you don't put it all the way down, your bars are more likely to snap. So make sure you put your bars all the way down to the headset in your clamp, and then after that, make sure your bars are straight. And then take your Allen key. I find it easier to sit like this and hold the bars. Take your Allen key, tighten it a little, just a little. Start from bottom and then go to the top. And make sure to tighten just a little. And come back up here, make sure they're straight. Do any more adjustments before you tighten it all the way down. Make sure they're all the way down again. And yeah. And then what you want to keep doing is keep tightening it. Tighten the bottom a little and tighten the top. Just keep repeating that process until they're both tight. And I'm not going to tighten them all the way yet, but I'm going to make sure they're straight again. Which right now they're on point. But like I said, hold your bars, just keep cranking them. Just keep cranking them. Just keep cranking them till they're tight. And yeah. Just keep cranking them till they're tight. Then the way you know they're tight is if you sit on your deck and hold it all the way back and then try to move your bars forward. That's how you see if it's tight enough. If your bars are moving, then that means they're not tight enough, and that's not good. So yeah. Anyways, let's see. All I used was a hammer and an Allen key, which you can get at your local hardware store. If you don't have one, probably I got that hammer for $7. Allen key's probably $3, something like that. But you look pretty straight now. I'll put it to the side. But anyways, broskies, that's how you put on bars. And make sure your clamp is straight. And make sure your bars are straight. And make sure your bars are all the way down, the same as your clamp. And yeah. Anyways, that's how you tighten your bars. And I'm gonna go outside in the garage real quick and give you guys give you guys a dialed test, okay? So, yeah. See you then.
Whatever.
My dad is singing. Dad! Dad! Sorry, you guys probably can't hear because my dad's singing. Shh. Look, it's pretty dialed. As you can see, they're straight as they can be. But it sounds pretty nice. So I'm gonna put this on the wall now. Once I'm done with this. Actually, no, I'm not. Actually, I am. Oh god. So now I have this thing for my scooter to put on the wall. But yeah. So anyways, scooter's pretty dialed, and that's how you change, or that's how you put bars on your scooter if you don't know how to put bars on a scooter. And that's how you make your bars straight with your wheel and your clamp. And always keep in mind when putting your bars on to untighten your clamp all the way and push it up, because for me it's hard to take my bars off. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you like and subscribe. We just hit 200 subs, so thank you for that. And yeah.